Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to change your email address linked to your Apple ID. You can change your Apple ID email whether you're switching from a Gmail or Yahoo address to an Apple email like iCloud, or the other way around. To get started, open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to appleid.apple.com. Sign in using your current Apple ID email address and password. Once you're logged in, look near the top of the page and select Apple ID. From there, find the option to change your Apple ID email. Enter the new email address you want to use as your Apple ID. After entering the new email, scroll down and click Change Apple ID. Apple will then send a confirmation email to the new address you entered. Open that email and follow the instructions to verify and finalize the change. Once the email is confirmed, your Apple ID will be updated, and you'll start using the new email address to sign in to Apple services like iCloud, the App Store, and Apple Music. And that's how you change your Apple ID email address. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.